Mastering 3D Warehouse in SketchUp 2026. A step-by-step guide to finding, downloading, and optimizing 3D warehouse models for professional SketchUp workflows. Search and filter smart. Start with a clear intent before opening 3D Warehouse. Define what you need, the level of detail you're after, and your file size limits. Use specific keywords like Scandinavian wooden dining chair instead of just chair. Add qualifiers like low poly, PBR, or real scale. Then sort by relevance or popularity and filter by file size and collections. This prevents downloading heavy or unusable models. Preview and download strategically. Always preview a model before downloading. Zoom in to check polygon density. If it looks too smooth, it's likely too heavy. Check textures for quality and scale accuracy by looking at dimensions. Then download as a SketchUp file and open it in a separate file first. Never import directly into your main model. This lets you clean it before polluting your project. Clean and simplify every model. This step is critical and should be done every single time. Delete unnecessary geometry and purge unused materials, components, and tags using the Purge Unused option in Model Info. Fix loose edges, hidden geometry, and incorrect grouping. For heavy models, replace curves with fewer segments and remove unseen faces like backs and bottoms. This dramatically improves performance. Organize and structure your components. Before importing into your main model, convert cleaned models into properly named components. Set the correct axis and origin point for easy placement. Use clear naming conventions like Chair Modern Wood 01. Then assign each component to a relevant tag such as furniture, lighting, or landscaping. This helps with visibility control and scene management. Build your own library. Don't rely only on 3D Warehouse. Save your cleaned models into organized folders on your local drive, categories like furniture, vegetation, and people. Also use 3D Warehouse collections to bookmark quality assets in the cloud. Over time, your local library becomes faster and more reliable than searching online every time. Optimize and follow best practices. Keep your SketchUp project performant by managing polygon counts carefully. Use components instead of groups and toggle off heavy tags when you're modeling. Always check licensing, especially important for commercial work. And use smart extensions like Skimp for reducing polygon count, Cleanup Cubed for auto-cleaning geometry, and Transmutter for converting high-poly assets into proxies. Here's your pro workflow summary. Search smart. Filter results. Preview carefully. Download separately. Clean and simplify. Convert to component. Organize and save locally. Remember, the biggest mistake isn't using 3D Warehouse. It's using it without cleaning models first. Fix that one habit, and your SketchUp performance and file quality will improve dramatically. Visit iRender.co.za for more SketchUp tips.